Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram sign up error. To know how to fix Instagram sign up error, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps here, default apps, app settings. Then in this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram. Then in this page you will go down to force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage here. After that, in this page you will click clear cache, and then you will click clear data. And after all that, here, when you will click clear data, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.